What's up, guys? Back to another video. Today I'm going to be playing Fortnite. So, alright. And, I am going to play Fortnite. Alright. Let's just wait. And wait. And wait. Look at this. Look at this answer. I mean, I should, but I'm not. Because people are going to come. Alright. I don't hear the boss, but I think someone's fighting him. There's one very close, so
wow.
Dang it. And how much do we need to get that? Dang it, we need 250.
Big game. Why you
Alright, so I'm just gonna go and get this. The new legendary. I think so many people have Fortnite all because of the new legendary. Like, they only want it just to see the legendary. Like, why everyone's so excited about it. But I mean, it's good, then it's not good. Like, it's good, and it's not good. Like, I don't know why. I need to make this brighter. Alright, we can see better. Well, maybe not better. But hey, at least we can still see better. Well, I don't want to use the new legendary yet. But I mean, I'll use it. Alright, I hear someone. I might use the new legendary. Maven auto shotgun. I'll trade it for this. Whoops. Alright. No. I don't see no one yet. Wait, am I even in the circle? That spot is gonna be like the spot I'm going to if I'm ever in trouble. I wonder if anyone is inside this house. Oh, oh, someone has it. And I'm gonna be dead if they use it on me. 'Cause that's just how good it is at the game. So I better hope no one finds me. Yeah, I'm gonna have this ready. Just in case if anyone tries to... What if I used it on a chicken? What if I used it on a chicken? Yeah, we put... I hear someone. Wait. Alright, I'm just gonna keep the thunder shotgun out. Wait. What did this do? I do not know what it did, but I do not know what it did, but I'm glad I used it, but I... Hold on, I hear someone. I'm gonna be I'm not here to do tricks. I want to get out of this place. I was wondering if I could do a wheelie. Yeah! One more. Yeah. Oh! Out of here. Yeah, he better run. Yeah, I'm gonna go back to Anvil Square because I feel like there's some people there. Someone's riding. Someone was just riding the bike that I was using. Oh jeez, that scared me. I thought someone was near. Maybe I could get Anvil Square. Dude, what if someone... Boom. Oh dang, they had a shockwave hammer. Alright. Boom. Alright. I wonder if I could find anybody. I don't see nobody. I don't hear nobody. So then that means there's nobody near. What if I just put a meme right here? Of the three monkeys. Of the monkeys spinning around in a circle like What if I just did that? Do you guys like that? Do you guys like the memes? You guys want more memes in my videos? You guys want memes in my videos? Is that what you guys want? Every time I swim, I'm gonna put like the circle monkey dancing meme every time I swim from now on. Okay? Because I think you guys want more memes. What the? Yeah. Dang. That person had a key. I feel really bad for them. Wait a minute. I'm back here? No way. Oh, dang. I don't think I hit them. Wait, I think I did. I just knocked them out the way. I need a heal. Someone try to shoot me? Someone just try to shoot me? I wonder if I could... Can't touch me. Can't touch these. Ooh, there's one. I'm gonna have to go into a storm for it. But I think it's gonna be worth it. Can't touch these. Oh no. No, I died! Oh no! It's okay. I'm not a rage. I'm not a person that rages. Alright. This is the end of the video. Peace.